Welcome to the step-by-step guide for filling out the UGC NET June 2025 application form. Ensure you have all the required documents ready in the specified format and dimensions, as has been given on the screen. Once they are ready, let's begin with filling out the form. Click on the application link in the description box below. If you have any queries, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. So, here you will get two options to register and to log in. If you have not registered, kindly register first. And if you have already registered, you can log in using the application number. So I'm going to start with the registration process. So click on new candidate register, go through the information. And after you've read through, click on this box and click here to proceed. Then you have to choose whether you want to use your Aadhaar card, your PAN card, or other government documents to create your account. I'm going to choose my Aadhaar number. After you've entered the Aadhaar number, you're going to get an OTP registered with that, linked with that mobile number. And then click on valid OTP. And then your Aadhaar details and your name all are going to come on the screen. You will have to fill in the rest of the details, your email address, your gender, your mobile number, confirm your mobile number, your nationality, your identity type, choose whatever is relevant for you. Then you have to enter your address. Then if your correspondence address is same as the permanent address, choose that. If it is different, fill in the details. Then you have to choose a password. Then choose a security question. Then type in your security PIN and submit. So here they're showing you the details. You can check the details, whether they are correct or not. And once checked, click on this, verify that you have, checked all the details. Then click on I agree and then submit and send OTP. And then you're going to click on yes, and you're going to receive an OTP in your email. So please open your email ID, type in the OTP you've received. Then type in the security code, verify, and your application number has been sent in your email ID. So make sure you keep it open and then you log in to start the registration process. Enter your password after the application number, security PIN, and click on login. And now we'll start with the application form. So click on complete application form. Okay, your address and everything has been filled in. So just cross check that every field has been, entered. And once that is done, enter the captcha. Click on I agree and move ahead, save and next. Then check your personal details. So I will have to select my category and confirm my category. Then I have to select my state. Then am I PWD? No. Am I diabetic? No. What's the annual income? And then the captcha once again. Click on I agree and save and next. Then you have to choose the subject that you've opted for. I'm choosing economics. So confirm that. Select the paper medium. For me, it's English. Confirm that again. Then on what basis do you want to apply? After 4-year graduation or master's degree, choose whatever is relevant for you. So for me, it's 4-year pass degree. What's my pass status? I'm awaiting my results. Year of passing will be 2025. Then whether in final year or final year Result awaited. So results awaited, yes. Qualifying exam from India, qualifying exam state, West Bengal for me, university, for me it's Calcutta University. Then I have to type in the captcha once again. Click on I agree, save and next. Then you have to fill in your PhD details, because I'm not doing PhD, it's not relevant for me. So for me, the only thing relevant is whether you are an ex-serviceman or not, and I'm not. So no. Then captcha, I agree once again, save and next. Then you have to choose what you're applying for. I'm applying for assistant professor or GRF or PhD. So JRF. Okay. Then you have to choose the first reference. For me, it's West Bengal and the city in that particular state. You will have to choose 4 preferences in particular order. So please be mindful of that. So after you've chosen your 4 references, each state and city, you have to choose your father's education, then your mother's education, again capture, and I agree checkbox, save and next. Then you will have to upload your documents, your image and signature, save and next. And before we do the final submit, we'll have to verify our mobile number. So this is my mobile number. So I'm entering the captcha, send OTP. Wait for the OTP to come through and then you can enter. Then again capture, then verify OTP. Then click on complete application form once again, because your number was being verified. Look through the details, and once you're sure, click on submit, because after that you will not be able to take many changes. Check on all the checkboxes after you've verified it before making the final submit. After that, you can click on pay now, make the payment, and you are done with the process. So that is it. Thank you so much, guys. I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you in the classes soon. Thank you.